Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I'll show you how to change worksheet tab colors, rename, delete, and add tabs. Let's get started. Right-click on the tab you want to change. Select Tab Color. Choose a color from the default options or go to More Colors for a custom one. Tabs will appear slightly transparent when not selected, but you'll see the color difference. How to delete a tab. Right-click on the tab. Click Delete, that's it. How to rename a tab. Double-click on the tab name. Type in a new name and press Enter. How to add a new tab. Click the plus icon next to the last tab. A new sheet will appear. Rename it if needed. That's all for today. Easy ways to organize your Excel sheets. If this helped, like Hannah, subscribe and comment below. See you in the next tutorial.